Okay, we have arrived. This is question number 24, the last multiple choice question in Regents exam number 1. So it says voting rates in presidential elections from 1996 to 2012 are modeled below. Which statement does not correctly interpret voting rates by age based on the graph? So here's our graphs, right? This set represents 18 to 29. This set represents 30 to 44. The lower line, 45 to 64. The upper line, 65 and over. So what we're doing is just looking for the graph and saying true or false. So for citizens 18 to 29, the rate of change was greatest between 2000 and 2004. So the greatest rate of change means the steepest slope. See how this slope is almost flat? This one is almost flat. This one has a little more slope to it, but from 2000 to 2004 has the steeper slope. So therefore, that's a greater rate of change, and that is a true statement. So let's look at the second one. The voting rates of eligible age groups lies between 35 and 75% during presidential elections every 4 years. So we're always between 35 and 75. So let's look. Right here is 30%, right here is 40, so that's 35. So no rate goes below 35. If we go to the top, this is 70, the very top is 80, so no rate goes above 75. The highest I think they go to is 72, is what that looks like. So that one is also true. So these first two are true. From 1996 to 2012, the average rate of change was positive for only two groups. So we're saying from end to end. See how this started at 56.9 and ended at 59.5? So if we go from end to end, it's higher over here than it is over here. That's positive, even though it goes up and then back down. This one goes up and then back down. But from 45 at the end, 39 at the beginning, 45 is greater. So that's also true. So these two are true. But notice the one at the top is true as well. From 69 to 72, 72 is bigger. So that from end to end is a positive slope. The only one that went down was the 68.2 to the 67.9. So this group is the only group that went down. Therefore, this statement is false. And remember, the highlighter idea. When it says not correctly, if you're working with a paper, you want to highlight that not to make it stand out so you make sure you answer the question they ask. And of course, 70% of the people voted in 2004. That's the 45 category, right? 45, that number in 2004 is around 70. See how 70 comes over here? So that one was also true. So we definitely verified that this is the one answer that was false. And that is your multiple choice section for Regents 1 exam.